Yo, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually get started creating an affiliate site. I know yesterday I was talking about how you guys could actually make money with your website, and I do still have that video on how you guys could create affiliate marketing website, but I need to make an update on it because I learned some new things that you guys can actually start doing, and you guys could easily do it better than, so you guys don't have to take the mistakes that I made when I was doing it. So before we get started, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And I'm still doing the 10K challenge where I'm posting every single day until I reach 10K subscribers. So if you guys want to help me out, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, so if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically promoting other people's products. So you get a specific link to you that is from you, and when people purchase from you through that link, you get a commission. No extra charge for anybody that purchased through you. Just the company just pays you every single time you refer someone to their product and stuff like that. So yeah, so let's get into my computer real quick so I can show you guys how you guys can actually set this up the right way. Alright, so what you guys want to do is actually go to get started, go to bluehost.com. I'll have the link down below if you guys want to check that out. But alright, so Bluehost, I use Bluehost because I use Bluehost for most of my websites and stuff like that, and I feel like Bluehost is actually a pretty good way, especially if you guys are beginning. Bluehost gives you a free domain. It gives you you start off at $2.95 a month, which is pretty amazing, and stuff like that. You get a free domain for 1 year. The customer services, I feel like it's one of the best out there from web hosting, and you get the total design freedom. All right, so that's all you guys could get started. But I'm gonna show you guys a quick way for you guys to actually do this, and I'm gonna show you two plugins that you guys could use as a plug and play. All right, but before we get into that, we're gonna do is get started. So there's two ways that you guys can actually do this. All right, there's the 12 months, which is 1 year, and also 36. They do give you depending on what things you guys get. It depends. This is only it's only for the 36 months. This price right here, this price is all for the 36 months. But you get 12 years. It just raises up for like I think $2, I believe. Yeah, I think $2. All right, but you guys, it's still a pretty good price. It's all just a cup of coffee every single day from Starbucks. $5 a month is pretty amazing to start off your business. So yeah, they have the basic, the plus, and choice plus. So if you guys decide to go with this, I suggest just choose this one. It gives you the domain privacy and stuff like that, and security features. And yeah, so it's all it's pretty good, especially if you guys are starting off, to choose this one instead of just this one. They're the same price. So, but if you guys want to choose the basic one, which you guys could, alright, you guys could use this. This is all you guys really need to get started. It's just one website. That's all you guys really need. So you guys could click here. But if you guys want to take it off for 3 years, you guys could do that. Alright. So now, like I said, you guys could choose your name.com. You basically just choose a name for your affiliate website. So you guys could choose whatever you guys want to. Make sure it's specific to that niche and stuff like that. Like you could put or you could even put, let's say your name, Serg Reviews, alright, .com. I suggest to go with the .com because I feel like it's more professional, like Google.com, BestBuy.com, and so forth and so forth. So I suggest you guys do that. So just click search. I'm doing Serg Reviews .com. I forgot to put the S, but yeah. So I'm not really gonna buy this domain, but look, if you just pretend to click out, you guys can actually claim that extra money. Extra discount if you guys want to. So that's pretty amazing. They give you discounts. Just go like that and it'll give you your discount. Alright, so what you guys do here, just basically put your name, you know, your first name, last name, business name, if you guys have one, country, street address, city, state, zip code, phone numbers, email address, yada yada yada. You know, the basics where you guys are gonna do that. Alright, so I'm not gonna, you know, fill this out because I already have a dummy account for you guys and stuff like that, so I'm gonna just do it through there. Alright, the account account plan is basically, like I said, as you can see here, they have the two plans, the 12 and the 36, which is 3 years. Alright, so what you guys could do, it's gonna be $106 and $20 okay, so that's pretty good. And if you get just the basic one, it's gonna be, you know, under $6. Alright, so if you guys want to choose that, the 1 year, you guys could. It's $60 right off the bat. You know, you get a free domain, a free SSL. If you guys don't know what the SSL is, it's basically this secure lock right here, where this pops up and shows you that making sure, especially if you guys are gonna start collecting emails or do payments and stuff like that, you want to make sure that your customers know that it's secure, that their information is not gonna get leaked and stuff like that. So that's what it is. Alright, and it's actually pretty good for SEO rankings and stuff like that. So yeah, so if you guys want to pick the year, go ahead, pick it. And then after that, you guys don't need all these other ones. Alright, these you guys do not need. But the thing I want you guys to make sure to actually get is the domain privacy. The reason why I suggest to do that is because if you guys care about your information, when they click on your domain, it's actually gonna pop up your information, like your name, your address, and stuff like that. But if you get this one, it's basically gonna show Bluehost. So basically, any web hosting you guys get is gonna show their web hosting address, the web hosting's name, and stuff like that, and that's it. So your information could be safe, but the rest you guys do not need to get the extra stuff that you guys need to get. But the rest is, after that, you just put your information, your payment information, and it's gonna be $71 and $28, which is pretty amazing, especially if you guys want to start off your affiliate marketing business for under $100, which is pretty amazing. Alright guys, so yeah, that's, and just put your card information. After that, you know, I have read and agree, that's it, and submit it. Alright, so I'm gonna log into my dummy account so I can show you guys how you guys can actually get started with that and do it the right way. Alright, so after, it's gonna show you guys how you guys when it's, you know, it's gonna tell you guys to answer some of these questions and stuff like that. So, and then after you guys answer those questions, it's gonna tell you to go to best WordPress for beginners or limitless customization. I suggest to do this one. This one's still having a few bugs, so that's why I'm not doing this one. But it's a cool way to actually have the same one as the Bluehost web hosting builder. It's the same thing that I can make you guys do that, which is one plugin, and that's it. And the plugin is for free, so that's pretty amazing. So I'm gonna get started with this. So what you guys want to do is just put your site name. Basically, is what, you know, what's gonna pop up in your search engines. So I'm gonna put search reviews, and then right here is basically like the site tagline. So it's like what is your website about and stuff like that. Basically, what's gonna happen? Start here, just click all that stuff, and that's basically it. Alright, but I'm not gonna do that right now. But you guys want to, you guys could, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Alright, after that, you know, put the ones that you guys want to get started with, you know, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take off these plugins, and because we don't really need these plugins, I'm gonna you know, you guys don't want to use none of these plugins. Alright, and now it's installing WordPress. What I want you guys to do is actually erase some of this stuff. Alright, so what you guys want to go do is actually go to post. Alright, we're gonna keep everything fresh and clean, so we're gonna delete mostly everything. So what you guys want to do is just click on that, move to trash, and then apply. That's it. That's all I want you guys to do. Just I'm gonna make you guys delete basically almost everything. Alright, so you guys could start off fresh, clean, and make sure that there's no unnecessary stuff that you guys don't really need, especially when you guys didn't do it. Alright, so, and then pages, we're gonna delete some of these pages too. So erase this one. Well, let's see how it is actually. Let's go see visit site first, and then we'll go, so you guys can see it. As you can see here, I deleted the post where the post was just gonna be here, but as you can see, it's pretty plain and stuff like that. So let's just go back and delete all the pages so you guys can see how it's actually gonna turn out to be. Alright, so we're gonna go to pages and delete all the pages. Alright, move to trash. Alright, apply, trash, and empty trash, and that's basically it. Now we're gonna go all the way to plugins. Like I said, we're deleting mostly everything. Alright, go to plugins and delete all those plugins that they already installed for you, because you guys don't really need those. Alright, so we're gonna deactivate some of these. Alright, deactivate this one, and this one. They're all gonna be deactivated. Alright, and both of them are gonna be deactivated. Apply, and most of it's gonna actually just knock off everything. Alright, that's what we want. Alright, now what we're gonna do is delete them, and that's it. Delete all of them and apply. Alright, now it's fresh, clean, ready to go to start off one thing. But we are gonna add one plugin. Alright, so what we want to do is actually add Elementor. What you guys want to do is that it's actually right here, but if you guys can't find it, you guys could just look it up to the search plugins, but it's right here, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna install it now and then activate, and that's it. I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna go to appearances, and I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually get started with it. Alright, so now when we got all that, now what you guys want to do is actually select a theme. Alright, so what we're gonna do is actually go to appearances and click on themes. Alright, and then we're gonna add one new, because this one is an actual plug and play where you guys can actually get started the right way and do that. As you can see here, these are the basic temp themes that they choose for you, so we're not gonna use those. We're gonna use a clean good plain theme. So what we want to do is actually go to Astra, well, go to themes, and then click right here. It's right here already, Astra, but if you guys can't find it, all you guys gotta do is click on Astra, type in Astra, and that's it. So it's right here. I'm just gonna click install and active, and that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. Alright, and now it's gonna still look a little bit plain and stuff like that. As you can see, we're gonna go visit site. As you can see, it still looks plain, right? So what we're gonna do is actually, they have a lot of starter kits that you guys could do. Yeah, right here it already has it, but if you guys can't do it, just go to plugins and it'll pop up. But this is the started template. Usually when you download and activate Astra, it usually just pops up. So what you guys want to do is just get started, and it'll activate for you guys. Alright, it's just gonna activate for you guys, and that's it. So that's why we downloaded Elementor, so you guys could use Elementor. I feel like Elementor is one of the best, actually is the number one that a lot of people use for WordPress is Elementor. But you guys could use any of these. I have not used none of these, so I can't give you my opinion and stuff like that, but I have used Elementor, so that's the one I feel like it's one of the best ones, you know. And I heard lots of good things about this one, which is known more and stuff like that. So as you can see here, they do have premium themes, but you guys do not need to purchase any of these premium themes and stuff like that you guys could get started with. But you guys could get started with free ones. All right, so basically you guys could look, you know, they have a lot of templates for you guys to choose from, but I'm gonna choose this one. This one's pretty nice, and I usually use this one most of the time. But when you guys are starting off your affiliated website, I suggest just to have 2 pages. All right, 2 pages, the home and a blog page, and that's it. I feel like that's one of the best ways to actually, because you don't want to confuse your customers, your consumers, your viewers, and stuff like that. And then after, you guys could put multiple pages and stuff like that. But when you guys are starting off, I suggest just to put the home and the blog page, because you guys are gonna do blogs. So yeah, what I'm gonna do right now is actually import complete site. And then I'm gonna delete most of these things, but I'm gonna import complete site so it could look nice and ready. But I'm gonna delete some of these pages, and so you guys could keep 2 pages on the about and the blogs, and that's it. All right, so yeah, we're gonna install most of them, and it's importing. So I'm gonna fast forward this so you guys don't have to wait on the importing stuff. Now we're gonna see how the site actually looks, and it looks pretty clean. As you can see, it looks pretty clean and stuff like that. This is how your site is gonna be, and yeah, that's basically it. You guys could move this, you guys could customize it, you guys could edit it with Elementor, but like I said, you guys could just delete some of these, because I suggest for you guys to actually have a complete thing, and then you guys could easily write a blog. So I'm gonna show you guys how you guys could actually write a blog so you guys could do that. So what you guys want to do is actually just go right here, go back to dashboard, go on post, and then add new. As you can see here, you guys could easily create one. You guys are gonna edit it with Elementor. So what you guys want to do, make sure that it's completely go right here, go to templates, make sure it's an Elementor canvas, so it could look like it's completely with it, and just edit it with Elementor. And you guys are gonna have actually what you guys want to do is just do the same thing that you guys are gonna do. You guys could do this, create a page out of it, and just make a easy article. Like let's say you guys gonna go right here the same way you guys did it, or you guys could use this one too, but you guys want to make sure you guys have the same color theme. So what you guys could do is just easily go who are we and stuff like that, and it'll have this, and just import the template, and that's it. It's pretty easy, and you guys could just write it easily and stuff like that. Alright, import or exit. It's already imported, everything got imported, as you can see here. And that's it. You guys could edit it the way you guys want, do whatever you guys want, easy, simple, plain, right? And that's basically it. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you guys want to know how you guys can actually get started step by step, I actually do go more in depth in my affiliate marketing program, which is completely free. I'm telling you guys, it's completely free. All you gotta do is enter your email and create an account, and that's it. It's completely free. I am not charging anything for you guys to actually participate in my affiliate marketing program, but I am closing it down when I have 300 students in it. But I will probably open up later on if it's closed already. But I will open it later on. All right. But for right now, it's completely free. If it's still open, you guys could easily sign up. The link is down below. And yeah, so if you guys want to get started, creating the Bluehost affiliate marketing websites, just click on Bluehost and get started, and just follow step by step, and you guys could easily get started with this. All right. But yeah, like I said, I go more in depth in my affiliate marketing business and stuff like that, because I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be up to date on. You guys can get notified when I upload my next video. And yeah, if you guys could help me out on reaching 10K subscribers, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and I'll see you on this one. Peace.